On that awesome day when the earth grew dark and the rocks of the field split in two, when the Savior cried, "It is finished, now I've done what I came here to do." It is finished, it is finished, every demon in hell understands. It's in Jesus, it's in Jesus, everything for salvation for me. On that day when the veil in the temple was ripped, every man could now enter in, while the heartbroken God had to turn away, and His Son took on Him our sin. It is finished, it is finished, every demon in hell understands. It's in Jesus, it's in Jesus, everything for salvation for me. Let the hills proclaim and the rocks cry out, the salvation of man has been won. Everything I need to make Him keep me clean, I find in Jesus alone. It is finished, it is finished, every demon in hell understands. It's in Jesus, it's in Jesus, everything for salvation for me. It is finished, it is finished, every demon in hell understands.